Hey friends, if the Minecraft launcher is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. Before anything else, I will show you the right way to install the Minecraft launcher. Search for Store in the Windows search bar and open Microsoft Store. Search for Minecraft, okay, and you will find the Minecraft launcher here. Install it from here. Do not install it from any third party website or anything else, because that could be a problem, and even from its own website there will be a problem with integration into a Windows PC. So always download Minecraft from the official website, and if it doesn't work on your computer, then merely resetting and repairing the application will not work. You will have to reinstall it, okay? And I'll show you the right way to install it. I mean, you know how to uninstall an application. Simply search for the application and then click on uninstall and uninstall. Same for the Minecraft launcher. As for installing, we are showing how it is to be done. It will ask you about the location at which it has to be installed. We will wait till the location option appears and then we will select the said location. So this is how it is installed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.